Hi class, so today I'm going to be talking to you guys about schools I have attended. I'm going to be beginning with my elementary school, then I'm going to go through middle school, high school, college to now. So let's begin. So for elementary school, I attended Powell Elementary School, which is located in Azusa, California. Powell Elementary School is part of the Azusa Unified School District. I attended this school for kindergarten through 5th grade, and as you can see, this is me standing out front my first day of kindergarten, and this is the school. Then I went on to middle school where I attended Foothill Middle School. Foothill Middle School is also part of the Azusa Unified School District, and I went here for 6th to 8th grade. My middle school was 6th through 8th grade. There at Foothill, I participated in volleyball, basketball, and track and field. Then for high school, I decided to move districts and I went to Covina High School, which is located in Covina, California. It's part of the Covina Valley Unified School District, and I participated in 2 years of volleyball there, 4 years of basketball, 4 years of track and field, and 2 years of cross country. I was also a member of the FFA program, and for those of you who don't know what FFA is, it stands for Future Farmers of America, and it's a special program that the high school offers, and through that I was able to own 2 goats during my time at Covina High School. So here is just some of the highlights from my time at Covina High School. I received multiple awards and held a few records at the school. So in track and field, I had the mile record in 2012. In basketball, I was number 2 all-time scoring. I received all CIF, all area. I led my team to CIF finals, which we made school history. I led the league in scoring, and I was league MVP senior year. In cross country, I held the school record in 2011, and upon graduating, I was named Athlete of the Year in 2012. And as a member of FFA, I served as a treasurer for the chapter my senior year. Here's just some highlights. So here's me with my goat that I had my senior year. Here's just a little newspaper article of me when I was in basketball. This is the day that I broke the mile record for the first time. I did break it twice. This is me in basketball. This is me with my Athlete of the Year award. And this is just one of my teams. I think this was my team junior year. From there, I decided for college I wanted to attend Cal State San Marcos, so I went there from 2012 to 2013. I originally went in majoring in criminology, and there I participated in cross country. I decided to redshirt track. And then here's just some highlights of me with my team from races and pictures from cross country camp in Mammoth. After attending Cal State San Marcos for a year, I realized that it just wasn't for me, and I ended up going back to Mount Sac. So Mount Sac, if those of you who don't know, it's located in Walnut, California, and I attended Mount Sac from August 2013 to December 2014, and I participated in both cross country, track and field. And I also received my AA in kinesiology at Mount Sac. Now this is just some highlights of me with my teammates. As you guys see the trend, I was really involved in sports, mainly in my schooling, so you're going to see a lot of sports pictures. Apologize in advance, I probably should have apologized sooner. Then from there, I transferred to Cal Poly Pomona, and I ended up mid-year transferring, so I attended Cal Poly Pomona from January 2015 to June 2017. From there, I majored in liberal studies, and that's what I ended up getting my BA in, and I participated in track and field at Cal Poly Pomona as well. So here's some pictures of me with my teammates. So this was us at conference up in San Francisco. This was a race in Pomona. This was one of our little cover photos that we did. We always have like a photo shoot for the schedule that they print out and put all around school, so that's that. And then this is our team photo, my last year at Cal Poly, and then this is just another team photo that I just really thought was cool, so I was like, let me include that. And once I graduated from Cal Poly, I decided to take a year off of school. And I did this because I didn't really know what I wanted to do, so I spent that year actually subbing in the Covina Valley School District where I had attended high school. And from there I decided, you know what, I do want to be a teacher. I want to be a special ed teacher. So I decided to apply to the University of La Verne, where I currently am, obviously. And I'm currently pursuing my credential for the mild to moderate in special education, as well as my master's in special education. And that's currently my last schooling as of now. Who knows what the future will hold, but this is my schooling from K to current. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.